How to easily scan a QR code in Android 13. Scanning a QR code in Android is not used to be only frustrating, but it could also be dangerous. That's all changed with the 13th release of the OS. Once upon a time, to scan a QR code in Android, you had to install a third-party application. Most of the time, that was fine every so often. However, you would install an app that included malware or ransomware, and things would decidedly wrong. In reaction to that, Google added the ability to scan a QR code into Google Assistant, but that was flaky at best. Sometimes the QR code would scan, and other times Android would either take a photo or Assistant would tell me what I was looking at. I needed my phone to simply read the QR code. This became especially problematic when the pandemic hit, and a lot of restaurants I frequented added QR codes at every table, so there was wait staff did not have to come into contact with the patrons. It was a smart solution to challenging problem. How to install Android 13 on your Pixel phone? But when Android was not exactly built to easily scan those codes, the simple act of ordering a meal became problematic, and because I know what I know, I was not about to install a third-party QR code reader on my phone. You see, I am all about mini Muslims when I come to app. Unless absolutely needed, it would not get installed. Turn out I did need that QR code reader. Fortunately, with Android 13, Google has solved that problem. In fact, with Android 13, reading QR code is now quite easy. Let me show you how it is done. How to scan QR code in Android 13 requirement. The only thing you will need for this is a device running at least Android 13. That's it. Let's get to scanning those QR codes. How to make a QR code for free. The QR code reading feature is focused on the quick setting tiles, which are a collection of tappable tiles at the top of your notification shade. You can add and remove quick setting tiles as needed to easily access certain features. One such feature of Android 13 is the QR code reader. Open the quick setting tile section for editing. Hold down your notification shade twice and tap on the pencil icon to edit the quick setting tile section. And the scan QR code quick tile. Scroll down until you see scan QR code listed under the hold and drag to add tile section. Tap and drag that tile until it's near the top of the quick setting tile sections of the notification shade. Back out of the edit window. Once you have placed the scan QR code quick setting tile where you want it, tap the left pointing arrow and at the top left of the window. Using the scan QR code quick setting tile. At this point, whenever you need to scan a QR code, all you have to do is pull down the notification shade, tap the scan QR code quick setting tiles and point the camera at the QR code. How to assign a different language for apps in Android 13. There is no need to install a third-party app. Open Google.